Ayan, sinahimbag na rabikan dati yung aming apo. Manipod iti sweet blend, Mr. and Mrs. Starda. Ada kami apong umaymang ti liwliwa ti pamilya Ramos. Within your mighty hand, when the ocean rise in thunders roar, I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are king over the flood, and I will be know you are God. Find rest, my soul, in Christ alone. No. In quietness and trust, when the ocean rise in thunders roar, I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are king over the flood, and I will be still and know you are God. Find rest, my soul, in Christ alone. Know His power in quietness and trust. When the ocean rise in thunders roar, I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are king over the flood, and I will be still and know you are God. Kung magunaw man itong mundo, ang pag-ibig ko'y di maglalaon. Sa iyo, Ama't Panginoon, balbaliwang to puso, iti parabor mo anasa raka. Ken amin kanya pagdi nakabuidan tuy biyag indanton mapunas di tabileg ti ayat mo di tabileg ti ayat mo. Dari gagay ko makita ko man rupa anap no at di ayat ken kina ket ipakita ti pagayatan ti biyak ko iti tunggal aldaw di tabileg ti ayat mo. Sibay mo irang tayo na akas maysan nga agilan ket tumayabak to babaen ti espiritu di tabi ti ayat mo. Hold me close, let your love surround me. Bring me near, draw me to your side, and as I wait, I'll rise up like the eagle, and I will soar with you. Your spirit leads me on by the power of your love, and I will soar with you. Your spirit leads me on by the power
and open your heart. Lift up your hands to God, and He show you the way. And He said, cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavily laden. Come to me, all of you are tired of carrying heavy loads. For the youth I will give you His easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I will give you rest. When you feel the world is tumbling down on you, and you have no one that you can hold on to, just face the rising sun, and you see home, and there's no need to run. Lift up your hands to God, and He make you feel all right. And He said, cast your burdens upon me, those who are heavily laden. Come to me, all of you who are tired of carrying heavy loads. For the yoke I will give you is easy, and my burden is light. Come to me, and I will give you rest. Come to me, and I will give you rest.
Yan, sa katitikit na po tag-request, mabaling na tapo mo may baga dito and me. Thank you so much po. Bali nga mo mi apo lagi kecho apo nga request. Thank you so much. And once again, we are the Sweet Man Band, Mr. Romer. Romantico.
Awakan ka, oras alas 3 di parbango, mangek mo samit sambe di ayan. May sa papel na si Ryan, tasibay mo ako na ay ayaten ka. Di may sa arangteken ka, kat puso na grubakan ka, hindi mo ket puso. Siyang tigrayogan ka, Gaminawan kapag padang at nakaunggan, awan makabulot, nagdagat to'y puso. Si kalae, biyag ko. Gaminawan kapag padang at nakaunggan, awan makapulot, nagdagat to'y puso. Si kalae, biyag ko. May sa anang teken ka, kat pusong nagrubabkan ka, ngem di mo palus pagkarupin. Tagtakain tanak ka, to'y kantaan ng sakit. Tapuso siyang tigrayugan ka, gaminawan kapag padang at nakaunggat, awan makapulot, nagdagat to'y puso. Si kalae, biyag ko. Gaminawan kapag padang at nakaunggat, awan makapulot, nagdagat to'y puso. Si kalae, biyag ko. Si kalae, biyag ko. Si kalae, biyag ko.
Nabayagin, biyag ko, abitan nagkita. Aldaw ke, gabi iapa Pimanaw kalatag atin na pagkada na panang alugar di ka pa'y imbaga no aniya kinuna nga inaramid ko adi mo hindi ka ginusto no siya tong pumusay ken siya tang sumita rawate ubiyak ko sumangpet kanto di inay ayat mo kain ka inulila Nuiti mo maling ket siya kay ang may maysa si kapag ni Mida jay abay jay tawa no ada lumabas salsalot suden ka sa dindayan mo no siya tong pumusay ken siya tay sumila dawate ubiyak ko sumangpet kanto di inay ayat mo nga ikainulila Yan sila po di may isang request, kid daw. Dito yun na po di kid daw mo, nga request mo ka kid daw. Nagnaen na sibay mo, di nakatagura, jak may kari, di agbayag, den nabiyag ko, sa are nakas idi, ang pukod ko, di adang ko, among daytan. Sika, biyak ko, di nagariro. Palindi, ba't mo di ayata? Gabuken kuana anang teterang sa ajak matutupan, takip daw mo. Umanay ka di ang pasul ko, ajak lapinan ka, takip daw mo. Amok, amok ang sakit, adikan makaganda. Ngem apay na ta, ano sukyan ni panlubok, magsinain na tidalan ko, ken tidalan mo. Sika sa arasya, di nagariro. Palindi, ba't mo di ayata? Gabuken kuana anang teterang sa ajak matutupan, takip daw mo. Ajak matutupan, takip daw mo.
rukutan daytoy puso wen nagluneg ta kinatao agramat naglamas mo tadintot isutrason nga pangdutong mo dusong ken gura taparukon mo tiraput no nga ayan hawan patay tinaglapas sa nguwag taket masagbayan harang kay di pagpumalan Opat sa pali na ayan ko tuti si kalae na ipatpatay ko laksi kinanumo ken naglabas mo di isut pangrukutan daytoy puso wen nagluneg kinatao agramat naglamas mo tadintot isutrason na pangdutong mo dusong ken gura tabarukon mo tinaput no nga ayan hawan patay tinaglapas sa nguwag taket masagbayan harang kay di magkumpalan pinaput no nga ayan hawan patay tinaglapas sa nguwag taket masagbayan harang kay di magkumpalan sa nguwag taket masagbayan harang kay di magkumpalan. Alright, requested song. First lovers move tonight. I salute one last chance to hold her tight, and she's waiting. I know she's waiting. I know she waits for me under the lover's moon. There's a lover's moon tonight, shining down on half of this world. So many songs are in its light, but for me there is just one girl, and she's waiting. I know she's waiting. I know she waits for me under the lover's moon. Under the lover's moon. Under the lover's moon. Alright, thank you so much for your requested song. Maraming salamat.
Yan, so hello po kaniti viewers tayo po manikog ti Facebook Live 120 po. Thank you so much. Another requested song, may sama na po ng Ilocano, ay Ayaten Ka. Diyan amuno apay anapatek ka tano awan ka sapsapulen ka no di ka makita mas na ay tuirig na no lang mabalin agko'y kuyog talata jag amuno apay ang naragsan musikat mabuybuyak kasansarita aglalo no agpinere mata na adwa jag mailadawan ragsak day tuirik na amok nga amok at ipay kaparan na katayan takas to'y latakay ayan no tanto mamaubla kati irurusig panagpitik to'y pusok singati kapuna usal na to'y biyako ay ayaten ka napuno ang kariken ka pa cinta kuma. Jak amono apay anaragsan nusikat mabuy-buyak kasarsarita aglalo no apinerek mata taadwa jak Manila dawat ragsak day tuirik na di kay papananagat ayan takas to'y latagay ayan no nagtuma maublan dati irurusik panagpitik to'y puso sikati gapuna usal dato'y biyako ay aten ka napuno ang karingken ka aglabas man dito wen dito agbaliw tuirik na jaktun agayat isabali mo tila sikap sikap damo ken maudi ayat kun pacinda kumaan ay ayaten ka napuno ang karingken ka aglabas man dito dito ang palituirik na jaktun agayat isabali no tila sikat sikat damo ken maudi ayat kung pacinda kuma sikat damo ken maudi ayat kung pacinda kuma. Okay, another requested song, Suyo Soy Di Dagang. Yan, sa tita po dyan request po nga Suyo Soy Di Dagang. Yan, sa mabaling na tapo ti sumala. Nagiti kahit na po tiyan, sumala mabalin lata. Manasuyusoy ng dagang mangisimpa sinanlumlum Siyamit lang ayos tinanong may mayan si Dendendeng Umisip ka ay gaya dati mo nanamnaman Problemas hasasamsam Ipatayaw sa dagang kan kansyon maiilak sinanlubong di bukaw maiibaw yung lunas maulpulaw hindi at may ibugaw-bugaw Hultos kapiyak kung may lusaw Gayong ko bumangon ka Nangadumpay ugdaya Mantalag apang sisya Tansisya dinamdaman Gayong ko adi ka maupay Bitigran di sumangbay Sikapon niya di makauway Basta dumbilin na kagamos uway Manasuyusoy ng dagang Mang simpa sinanunod Siyamet lang ayos di tanong May mayan si deng-deng-deng Dong-dong ay si Dong Ilay Din sinay dumaan Dong-dong ay si Dong Ilay Din sinay dumaan Dengue mandong mo ading guday isunata inaramit ko para kenga Nagpupunipunan dagitiban baligasa makatok kay sino man ang mutya Sa karaang nga taumaya ang mangharana di tataway at kamdat ka kuman Kamay ko ibisig aning ikinrindak sa pay kuman Nusak tuti ay tendi kang pagsangitan Inaldaw ko nga ingaling ingayin Itad ko, pinamin ko Akayat mo, ibaay ko Maparag sa kalain Uresin mo ti at di pa Uresin mo ti kumuntra Ilaban ko't ayat ko kenka Uray pakatayak sang samitik nula ko di magpumunta Oh, ayat nagbilikan Tuy puso
Asam ikaise Isunat mangiparakek Iti naputput lumawe Bituwe tiyak sapa Murmuray tuy puso Tiyak ukatin anak Tay tarang yako Siksika laeng biyako Diragrak sako Akalunang ka Tuy ayak ko kang karayon Anang sa tao biyako Ipangakakatete Katagit tuy nga utunoy ko Ken kaana sa Kangait ka rin kata Ating kanto alilawe Tiyak ko yang kuntutin Dasen na siya Tukin ka di ang kisip Natira, tutut mo kalilipnusa Sa panggap mo, di ka patuluyan Sumilang ka, sa dino ay at papanan Sa dino ba natira, hanya akayo di ka pag-isuan Anya akayo, di kaya't mo, banatira
Jai
Pusan ka, uray ng kanusta. Takadan ka, uray na ataka. Ketay ko'y puso, paluumen na ka. Takadan ka, uray na ataka. Ketay ko'y puso, paluumen na ka. Alright, thank you so much.
Yan, another requested song, Always Remember Us This Way Kano Apo. Yan, so dito na po request po nga Always Remember Us This Way. The car is on the sky, burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul, the California gold. You found a light to me that I couldn't find. So when I'm on top, but I can find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, always trying to ride. You don't know how to ride, but tell we try. But all I really know, you where I wanna go. The part of me that's you will never die. So when I'm all choked up, but I can find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, I wanna be just a memory, baby, yeah. Oh, 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 so when I'm all choked up, but I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Why, when you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way. Another requested song, When I Look at You by Miley Cyrus. Yan si Bad Palas ka po dagiti request niyo po. Miley Cyrus. When I grow up. Ay, when I look at you. Yan, si Badbadas may hapon lagi request niyo po. Request ni ating Nasli.
Order food you love with Blue.
Everybody needs inspiration. Everybody needs a song, a beautiful melody. When the nights are long, 'cause there is no guarantee that tears in life is easy. When the waves of love is showing up, find my home anymore. That's when I look at you. When I look at you, I see forgiveness. When I see you love me for who I am, like the stars hold the moon. Right there will take alone. And I know I'm not alone. Yeah, when my world is falling apart and there's no light to break up the dark. That's when look at you. When the waves of love do show and again, from my home anymore. That's when I look at you. You appear just like a dream to me, just like kaleidoscope, colors that come on me. All I need, every breath that I breathe. Don't you know you're beautiful? Yeah, yeah. sila tapos request yung pong When I Look at You by Miley Cyrus. Another requested song, Loving Arms by Dixie Chicks. Yan, so request sa amin na po ni Tinaslin. And it's another requested song, Loving Arms by the Dixie Chicks. If I could see you now, the one who said that she'd rather roam, the one who said she'd rather be alone. If I could only see you now, if I could hold you now, just for a moment, if I could really make you mine, and just for a while, turn back the hands of time. If I could only hold you now, 'cause I've been too long in the wind and too long in the rain, taking any comfort that I can, looking back and longing for the freedom of my change, and lying in your loving arms again. If you could hear me now, singing somewhere through the lonely night, dreaming of the hours that held me tight. If you could only hear me now, 'cause I've been too long in the wind and too long in the rain, taking any comfort that I can, looking back and longing for the freedom of my change, lying in your loving arms again. La 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 la. 'Cause I've been too long in the wind and too long in the rain, taking any comfort that I can, looking back and longing for the freedom of my change, and lying in your loving arms again. I can almost feel your loving arms again. Yan, sila tabi din request yung pong Loving Arms by Dixie Chicks. Yan, may isang request mo atin, Because You Love Me. For all those times stood by me. Yun po ba? Sige po. Ang another requested song, Because You Love Me. those times still for me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrong that you made right, for every dream you made come true, for all the love I found in you. I'll be forever thankful, baby. You're the one who held me up, never let me fall. You're the one who saw me through it all. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best there was in me. Lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believe I'm everything I am because you love me. Oh baby, you gave me wings and made me fly. You touched my head, I could touch the sky. I lost my faith, you gave it back to me. You said the star was out of reach. You stood by me and I stood so. I had your love, I had it all. I'm grateful for each day you gave me. Maybe I don't know that much, but I know this much is true. I was blessed because I was loved by you. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best there was in me. Lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believe I'm everything I am because you love me. Oh, you were always there for me. The tender wind that carried me, a light in the dark, shining your love into my life. You've been my inspiration. To the lies you are the truth. My world is a better place because of you. My strength when I was, you were my strength when I couldn't speak. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best there was in me. Lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believe I'm everything I am because you love me. My voice, you saw the best there was in me. Oh, you gave me faith 'cause you believe I'm everything I am because you love me. Oh, I'm everything I am because you love me. Yan, sa tata po yung request po ni Ate Naslin. Ang another kasi song, She's Gone ka na po, ta favorite song niya. Ito yun, pimusing nga kamsat tayo apo. Yan si Badbadas mi apo ha. Tay komportable kami apo nga kina. Hangaji standard kina apo akat mapugsat amin nga matris ko apo. Basta di komportable kami nga kina. Basta makantami apo. Thank you so much po. Yan sa favorite song ka na apo tiyang Musay, She's Gone by Still Heart. She's gone out of my life. I was wrong. I'm to blame. I was so untrue. I can live without her love. In my life, there's just an empty space. All my dreams are lost. I'm wasting away. Forgive me, God, girl. Won't you save me? My heart belongs to you. Lady, can you forgive me for all I've done to you? Lady, she's gone out of my life. Oh, she's gone. I find it so hard to go on. I really miss that girl, my love. Come back into my arms. I'm so alone. I'm begging you, I'm down on my knees. Forgive me, God. Won't you save me? My heart belongs to you. Lady, can you forgive me for all Yan sa tatapo dagiti request yo nga makapa-concert apo. Wanante nag-overheat. Yan sa dagdapo dagiti request yo po, mabring yung natapo dag request baring amo mi pay apo dagiti i-request yo, tanong saan mi amo apo dagiti i-request yo, kat kasta nga talaga saan mi nga amo apo.
I saw an old friend of ours today. She asked about you. I didn't quite know what to say. Heard you've been making the rounds around here. Well, I've been trying to make tears disappear. Now I'm almost over you. I've almost shook these blues. So when you come back around, after painting the town, you see I've almost over you. You're such just like what would you call cold heart? Maybe leaving gave me sad, it tore me apart. Time heal on what they say, and I should know. 'Cause it seems like forever, but I'm letting you go. Now I'm almost over you. I've almost shook these blues. So when you come back around, after painting the town, you see I've almost over you. I can't forgive you and soon I'll forget all my shattered dreams. Although you left me with nothing to show for love Order Fuji Love with
Food Panda. Already given another special request.
Mayroon akong nais malaman. Maaari bang magtanong? Alam mo ba, matagal na kitang iniibig, matagal na akong naghihintay. Ngunit mayroon ka na ibang minamahal. Kung kaya't ako'y di mo pinapansin, ngunit ganun pa man, nais kong malaman mo. Ang puso kong ito'y para lang sa'yo. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na nagturo ko ang puso. Kung sakali iwanan ka na, huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo. Nandito ako. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na nagturo ko ang puso. At kung sakali iwanan ka na, huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo. Nandito ako. Kung sakali iwanan ka na, huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo. Nandito ako.
Yan, sa dagda po, dagiti request yun po. Yan, once again, Mr. Romer Manipod Apo ti Santo Domingo, Ilocos Sur.
Pasensya na po na mamaos na talaga.
niyo maamam mo, mapakada kayo. Tambubaong kumariyo sa tuong sisiwin ko. Sisiwin ko, sisiwin ko, lulumawaan, buru-burot ko. Sumulan, lumaw kumanyo, pasa ko, pinapaamo. Sisiwin ko, sisiwin ko, lulumawaan, ka nung sumbit niya malagit na mata lumugod mo kay siksika buy-buyae kat letra totadong di mo kandila marikna dahil di para kaya kuken ka tapno sikatan di unday baila alaen sursurat ko taging kaagpasa gendo di mamle tarik na agdayal ka tumawag ka urayat tatawag mo biyak ko tapno may katatay ka hiliw mo may nangyayakas ko di I love you sigala malaglagin ko at dito'y at kakadita at ayunay nagpaitanta tsaka mo kasaluka nusumit nge malagim na nata nuugot mo kay siksika buy-buyae kat letra ko pa natuwa di mo kadila marikna kay di para alam kuken ka urayat tatawag mo biyak ko tapno may katatay ka hiliw mo may angyayakas ko di I love you sigala Sometimes late at night I lie awake and watch her sleeping. She lies in peaceful dreams, so I turn out the lights and let her in the dark. And the thought crosses my mind, I never wake in the morning. Would she ever doubt the way I feel about her in my heart? You tomorrow never comes, but you know how much I love her. Did I try to never wait to show her every day that she's my only world? And if my time on earth were true, and she must face this words without end, it's the love I gave her in advance, gonna be enough to last if tomorrow never comes. 'Cause I've lost loved ones in my life who never knew how much I loved them. I will live without regrets, that's true. My feelings for them never worry me. So I made a promise to myself to such that how much it means to me. And I've on the circumstance, there is no second chance to tell her how I feel. You tomorrow never comes, would you know how much I love her? Did I try to never wait to show her every day that she's my only world? And if my time on earth were true, then she must face this words without me. It's the love I gave her in the past, gonna be enough to last if tomorrow never comes. So tell someone that you love is what you're thinking of if tomorrow never comes.
Another requested song. Another requested song. Kahit ngayon wala ka na, bakit ikaw ang lagi kong naaalala? Nag-iisip, nagtataka, araw-gabi hinahanap kita. Buhay ko'y wala ng halaga, buhat ng iwanan mo sinta. Sa boulevard ako'y nag-iisa, naglalakad, sana'y muling makita ka. Dalangin ko sa may kapal, ibalik ka sa piling ko ng iyong malaman na ikaw lang ang mahal ko, at wala nang iba mamahalin kundi ikaw. Buhay ko'y wala nang halaga, buhat ng iwanan mo sinta. Sa boulevard ako'y nag-iisa, naglalakad, sana'y muling makita ka. Kung ako ay bigo sa'yo, mamahalin pa rin kita habang ako'y ako. Kung totoo, lumimot ka sa boulevard, hihintayin pa rin kita. Wala nang halaga, buhat ng iwanan mo sinta. Sa boulevard ako'y nag-iisa, naglalakad, sana'y muling makita ka. Never knew that it would out at boulevard. Come again, you would release my pain, and we could be lovers again, and we could be lovers again. Another requested song. Yan, sabay-sabay po nga request sa kaming dog break time. Thank you so much po. Got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way you feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stayed. I'm stuck on you, been up for so long. I guess it's time for me to come on home. Guess I'm on my way. So hard to see that a woman like me could wait around for a man like you. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stayed. Oh, I'm leaving on that midnight train tomorrow. And you know that's where I'm going. I packed up my troubles and I throw them all away. 'Cause this time, little darling, I'm coming home to stay. I'm stuck on you. I've got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Yes, I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Yes, I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stayed. I pack up my troubles and I throw them all away. 'Cause this time, little darling, I'm coming home to stay. I'm stuck on you. I've got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. But glad you stayed. Once again, we are the Sweet Blend Band. Ang break time kami lang nga po. Thank you so much po. Happy Mother's Day po. Hello Sir Kian Santiago. Yan, so datapot the client me to know September 12 with Ingin Comedian. Yan. Makita yung taapon ni Miss Ingin to no September 12 kanyami. Thank you so much apo kadigiti naggaliti Mother's Day tatak at kasamat kanya yung apo. Ano no sanda kami apo ni Manong Narvicot na-cancel sa dito karnatata guys. So nakamati ka duwaming. Dati gamin apo kot biglaan. Tapos yung matukar na apo nabayagmat nga na schedule kanya na adya yan.
So kasi lang apo no kwano awan ni manong Narvi kanyami ada jayanti may nga grupo na kasi lang aji apuan kasi na dumaapo kot ada chat kanyami nga masla tay adda issue awan ti kasi kanyami apo awan ti something awan ti anyaman awan ti ano basta kakadwa kami apo gagayem kami kasi kami apo hanggang mabalin apo agpipin na sakit lalo kot agkakadwa kami. So nga antay ko mga ikan apo ti issue na dagiti nga banbanag tabasit lang apo dagiti nga banag at da kanya tayo apo no kasano tayo nga awaten ti may isang sitwasyon ti may sa tao. So nga no makita yun apo nga awan ni Manong Narvi kanya may kahit nasawan apo no hanga nag-rest iso na ada diyan ti Maranyon or diyan ti may sapay nga papapanan na po. Once anusan da kami apo ananusan kin awaten da kami po. Thank you and God bless po.